thunderstorm warning for DeKalb.
Shut that thing off!
I can't.
How do you turn this off? How do you turn that off?
Severe thunderstorms were located
How do
along
you turn that off?
Oh no.
to Franklin Grove, 28 miles east of Walnut, and moving east at 45 miles
That thing needs to go off. That needs to go off now. Turn it off.
Radar indicated impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This storm has a history of producing wind damage. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Mendota, Shabana, DeKalb, Genoa, Sycamore, Sandwich, Serena, Hillcrest, Malta, Kirkland, Lowville, Waterman, Kingston, Leland, Cortland, Hinckley, Salmonock, and Sheridan. Other locations affected: Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK-24 Odell. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for LaSalle, Will, Grundy, Kankakee, Iroquois, Ford, Livingston, McLean, Woodford, and Marshall counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 1:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yes.
The National Weather